Marketing agency owners! What if you could simply share an onboarding form to your new clients and have AI automatically create all of their personalized marketing assets in under 90 seconds, including irresistible offer, lead magnets, Facebook ad copy and graphics, Facebook ad AI UGC videos, marketing funnel, VSL script, email sequences, and much more. Introducing RoboMarketer's brand new feature called ClickOnboarding. Here's exactly how it works live in just 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Go to the ClickOnboarding tab in your RoboMarketer Agency View dashboard. Step number 2. Share your ClickOnboarding form to your clients so they can fill out all of the critical info needed for our AI to create their personalized marketing assets. Step number 3. Enter your client's specific ClickOnboarding workspace to view all of their created marketing assets and provide feedback to tweak anything you'd like. Or click the download button to download the individual marketing asset or all marketing assets into a zip file. It's truly that simple. Our new RoboMarketer ClickOnboarding feature has completely automated and streamlined the marketing asset creation process for clients that would normally take traditional agencies weeks to complete, in just minutes. If you're interested in getting started with RoboMarketer so you can use our new ClickOnboarding feature, click the link in the description below to create your RoboMarketer account now. Thanks for watching.